Hello?
Tesla airbag exploded. Can we fix the airbag module without replacing it?
No worries, I'll fix it. Many car owners and technicians have faced this problem. When an airbag deploys, the car can be repaired. The people can heal. But the crash record in this airbag module will not disappear. What do we do about them? Here is the science. When airbags deploy, the control module permanently stores crash data, which can't be erased by standard methods. The only option is to replace the module, which is costly. But with the XTOOL diagnostic tool, Compass Master, it's a whole new story. It has a built-in airbag reset function, removing crash data and restoring the module to factory condition. No more wasting money on replacements. First step, power on the VCI box with a 12 volts power supply, like the cigarette lighter on your vehicle. It will connect with the tablet automatically. Now enter component test. Airbag repair is in the first place. Okay. Let's find Tesla. The part number is located here on the module. And the wiring diagram is on the top right of the menu. As we can see, there are only 4 cables to be connected with the airbag module. They are the 12 volts cable, ground cable, CAN low cable, and CAN high cable. Then, these are our universal jumper cables. For those who believe it's bad because of the loose connection when connected with a pin, here is a very useful tip. That is to slightly press this part. Then it will be as tight as a new one. The color of the cable is for reference only. What we should be looking at is the label on it. For example, this is CAN high and CAN low. Ground cable. 12 volts connect with the VBB. Then connect the jumper cable with the VCI box. We can return to the last page and proceed. Special function. Clear collision records prompt. As we can see, the collision record was cleared successfully. XTOOL Compass Master. Make repairing easier. Do you like the video? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time with more car repair tips.